Yo, what is going on, everyone? Thank you guys again for tuning in for another video. In today's video, we're switching away from the car today, from the Subi, and we are actually going to be working on my truck. But pretty much what we're going to be doing today is the trim. So the trim is very bad on the truck right now, so it's been like very badly sun damaged. You know, over time it just starts to decay, and it's just, the shine's not there. It's just got a very nasty matte black look. So today's episode, we will be restoring that today. So you guys can see, it's very badly. You see I got some hard watermarks right there. And just over time it just gets like this. Especially you see the little holograph right here. It's all sun damaged, and it's just badly been body treated. But I mean, this is my daily driver, so I take it to work. You know, I do everything with it. So I've already went ahead and maxed everything out. Can't really see it, but the handles. I'm been working on the side mirrors and the door handles and the bed, just the very top, because it's all plastic trim, but it's all been very damaged. It's been, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's been very badly damaged. So I also went ahead and did the front too. So I already maxed everything, used masking tape, and I taped everything up, just the edges, make sure that I don't get anything else besides just a hard plastic. So I want to make sure I get all this, get in between all that, and I did the same thing on the other side. But other than that, I mean, the truck looks very good. You know, just gave it a nice wash. Everything looks good. It just got this couple wear and tear. It's pretty common over time. The truck does get some wear and tear. It's basically an applicator pad, and it's something that's going to be used as a trim. But the product that I like to use is Ammo's mud tire gel. So the good thing about this product is you can use this on the black trim, and also you can also use it for your wheels. And the good thing about this is it has no sling. So it's all water based. So the good thing is you can just put it on there and it won't sling everywhere. You don't have to worry about that. But you can add layers and layers and layers of this, which makes the tire look a lot better. Right now I haven't used it on the wheel yet, on the tire, but I will soon, so I can show you that, you know, you can use this for both things. So the first thing you're going to do is, you got your applicator pad, put a little bit on it. I like to start on a straight line, just like this, butterfly it, and then you're going to go ahead and just apply it on the mirror. Straight lines, nice straight lines. Then when you feel like you need a little more, just apply a little bit more. Go and add layers and layers of protection. As you guys can already see, it's starting to look a lot better. This is only the first pass I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do about maybe three to four, depending as needed, because she does need a cut. She does need a little bit of work, you know. It's been badly damaged over the years. So one thing I like to do right here in these tight areas right here, so what I do is I'll fold the applicator pad just slightly inwards, and then with my thumb I'll pinch right here in that curve, just so I get that nice little inner part of the logo. And you see you get the nice little edge on the inside. But that's just coming along pretty good. So you guys can see the difference. This is just a pass that I just did. It's still a little wet. Gotta let it dry up a little. But you see how badly damaged the inner part is? Eesh, that's gonna need some work. But the difference right now looks crazy. Looks a lot better right here though. A lot better. So giving you guys a little update. I already did the front end. See how the front end looks a lot better. And here's the side mirror I did already. So far I did 2 passes on it. So you just got to keep adding layer depending on how much of a depth you want. This one only did once. I only did one pass right now. Most likely gonna do probably 2 more, and I'll keep you guys updated. So here's a little update for you guys. I already passed it. I did 3 passes right now. I got that one. That one I only did 2 so far. But you guys come look at the front end. Sheesh. That shine is no joke. And this one is the one that was very bad. You guys saw it in the video previously. You see how bad it was, and then look, you see how it is now. That depth is crazy. I'm also doing this handle as well. This one. I'm just leave layers and layers and layers. So another spot that I forgot to mention, and actually I forgot to tape up too. See how badly that is? Look out, look out, look out. Don't that look satisfying? Look at that. I'm gonna keep working on this area and I'll keep you guys updated. Only problem is I can't reach. See? Now you guys can tell the difference. Ow. And that's just one pass right there. See that? That's one pass. Trust me, it's gonna get a lot better. You guys use it for your wheels. Well, in this case, your tires. So it's the same thing, same process, but I have everything separate. I have a tire applicator pad that I like to use for specifically just for the tires because of the grooves that it has inside. So the same thing, it's just you apply and you start working it in. But since these tires are new, I like to do circular motion to make sure I get in between all these threads right here and the threads on the outside. You guys can already tell the shine. Like I told you, the good thing about the product is it's not going to sling. So it's going to actually, your tire will actually absorb the product and all the solution inside. So make sure that the tire stays well conditioned and it has that nice little wet look finish. So it's pretty good. So same thing like I said, just repeat the process. Straighten lines first. A nice little circular motion. Make sure I get between the grooves. There you guys have it. So as you guys can see, the final product came out amazing. See the shine? You see how depth that black trim is? Whew. So it's the easy part now. Start removing the tape. I don't really show too much about the bed because I just did a couple passes on it. Just did 2 passes on it, but it wasn't too bad because I'm planning on getting new trim because you guys see the finish now. Looks a lot better than the way it was. I also went ahead and gave it a couple passes here. I didn't really show it on camera, but it was pretty badly damaged. I don't know how much I got of it on film, but it was pretty damaged. Somewhat not as bad as the side mirrors, but it was pretty badly damaged as well. So I went ahead and gave it a couple 2 passes and give it that nice little finish. See, it's not too much. I didn't want to do too heavy on the handles, but I did want to go heavy on the side mirrors. See the side mirrors, see how they came out? A lot better. As you see, I also went ahead and did the wheels. I did all 4 wheels with the same product, just different application pad, applicator pad. I mean, different applicator pad, but overall same thing. That's the one good thing I love about that product. My best part is the grill. Wow, look how amazing that looks. Sheesh. Best picture right there. You can see both mirrors and the grill. Amazing. So thank you guys again for tuning in for another video. If you found this video very helpful, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe. And comment below if you find anything else you want me to do. Basically on the truck, I will be doing a lot more videos on little DIYs on how to maybe cosmetic things or interior, you know, cleaning carpet. Well, I have very bad grease stains in there, because grease or dirt or any very heavy stains, mainly because it was during the winter time. Over here in the DMV we get a lot of snow, very harsh weathers. It's pretty harsh winter, but the truck do go through a lot of things, mainly with salt and mud and water. It's a lot of damage, but I will be doing a video on that interior clean, so be on the lookout for that. But I have a lot more things coming for my Subaru, but be on the lookout for that as well. But thank you guys again for watching. Until next time, peace.